Think a home made from shipping containers can't be luxurious? Think again. This is the modern side stack, a stunning 900 square foot home built from just three 40-foot containers in rural Texas. Two of those containers form the heart of the home, an open concept living room, a sleek kitchen, and even a small office nook. Natural light pours in through a massive garage-style door that opens the entire space to the outdoors. Just off the kitchen, you'll find a full bathroom with a shower, double sinks, and a stacked washer and dryer, all neatly tucked into one smart space. The third container holds a cozy bedroom with its own ensuite and seating area. It's set slightly apart, creating a covered breezeway that works as a porch or driveway. This home is all about outdoor living with a rooftop deck, dining areas, and peaceful views in every direction. Built by Backcountry Containers, the modern side stack proves that smart design and simple materials can create something truly extraordinary. Would you live in a home like this?